Yes, welcome back, student. Now we will discuss in our second session. And second session, we will discuss about the telehealth. Okay, telehealth employs normally electronic information that processing and telecommunication to support at a distance healthcare, providing professional and patient health related training and support healthcare administration. The internet, broadband and wireless technology, laptop and tablet computer, video conferencing, streaming media, store and forward, high resolution imaging are technology frequently used to the support telehealth. These are the some word that I am using again: the internet, your broadband, wireless technology, your laptop, tablet, your system, video conferencing, your streaming media, and nowadays with the help of your video conferencing, you are basically guide your colleagues during the operation theater. Okay, thousands of the mobile application are available to improve the patient access to healthcare information and to enable doctor to keep to close watch on the patient condition. Okay, it is a different application, mobile application, medicated application that are basically helping them. Okay, now if we talk about the normally telehealth, that is a one of a different more example here, like as a appointment and prescription reminder, and you can say medication, vital sign tracking, diet, weight monitoring are a common application based on the sending text messages to the patient, healthcare professional, and the monitoring computer. For example, one iPhone application can measure your blood pressure and heart rate, timestamp, okay, and record the reading and then email data to the physician. Okay, that is a different application we are basically using. Like telemedicine is a component of the telehealth that provide medical care to the people at a location different from the healthcare providers. This technology reduce the need for the patient to travel for treatment and allow healthcare professional to serve more patient in a broader geographical area. Okay, telemedicine. What the purpose of a telemedicine? That is a component of a telehealth. Again, that providing your medical care to the people at a location on a different from healthcare provider. This technology that just reduced to the need to for the patient to travel for the treatment and allow the healthcare professional to serve more patient in a broader geographical area. Fine, that is the telemedicine and the appointment and plus like we discussed the example of a iPhone application. Fine. There are three here basic form of telemedicine, like that is a store and forward, live telemedicine, and remote monitoring. If we talk about the store and forward telemedicine involve uh, that will be acquiring data, sound, images, and video from a patient, and then transmitting everything to a medical specialist for the later evaluation. That's the one of example here I want to share you guys. Life of 16-year-old Nigerian boy was saved by just using of a store and forward telemedicine. How he was basically admitted in a rural clinic and several abdominal pain and a large abdominal uh, pain and a mass. The local physician examined the boy and sent his finding via the internet to the specialty uh, physician hundred of the miles away. The specialist recognized a potentially deadly condition and requested emergency surgery by performing immediately and behalf of their instruction. Local physician perform the surgery and the boy will be safe. Okay, that is a one of a major advantage of the that you are collecting data and sound, images, and video, and the patient overall finding and will be shared with your senior surgeon and specialist people who are maybe the out of station and who are the maybe the 100 mile away from your clinic, but he can give you an answer and will be the help you in the treatment and save the life. Okay, that is a one example of a store and forward. And the second is the live telemedicine. Live telemedicine that required the presence of the patient and healthcare provider at a different sites at the same time and often involve a video conferencing link between the two sites. For example, work on an oil ridge can be extremely dangerous and the nearest hospital is often hundreds of miles away. Oil companies are increasingly rely on the live telemedicine to connect a nurse or EMT on an oil platform to emergency physician at a major medical center. Okay, live medicine that is a one of our other important categories normally we are using in a telehealth. Okay, look like we get example of a oil company. If we talk about the remote monitoring is also called a home monitoring that involves the regular ongoing measurement of an individual vital sign, temperature, blood pressure, heartbeat, and breathing rate, and other health measurement like glucose level and diabetics, and again the blood pressure and the transmission of this data to the healthcare provider, their physician. Patient who have the chronic diseases often don't recognize early warning sign that indicate an impending health crisis. Okay, that is a remote monitoring. Their patient will be easily monitored with the help of the applications. Okay, with the help of the physician instruction. Fine. That is a again another example, and why that is basically three category we are discussing, and this session is going to be end. In next session we will discuss what is the major health information technology and involved in IT and how IT services, IT information technology is help in health information. Okay. Allah Hafiz for this session.